Hello, and welcome to the CATS training video series. My name is Sam, and I'll be walking you through the software. In this video, we'll talk about how to set up and customize access levels, a powerful feature built for managing a team of employees. Access levels are a way for administrators to set user permissions that give or limit access to specific functions or data in CATS. To find access levels, click on your avatar, then Administration, and then Access Levels. You can see the access level title, the number of users assigned to that access level, the date it was created, and a link to see the history of any changes made. CATS has provided you with a few default access levels. There are 2 administrator levels, one with access to billing and one without, a recruiter access level, and read only, which allows the users to view all records but not make any changes. If you want to delete an access level, just click the red X. Take note, you can only delete access levels that do not contain any users. Let's go ahead and create an access level for sourcers. To do so, click Add Access Level. Right off the bat, we'll give it a name. We've divided user actions into 6 categories: candidates, job orders, companies, activities, reports, and miscellaneous. First things first, our sourcers are going to need access to candidates, so we'll leave those permissions the way that they are. However, we want to restrict our sourcers to only act on job orders that they are assigned. To do that, we'll mark these actions as group. Utilizing the group permission is a great way to further limit what actions certain team members can take. In this case, sourcers will only have access to job orders that have been assigned to their group, and we'll build these groups in a moment. Take note, group access only applies to job orders and companies. Okay, now we can go a step further and flat out deny our sourcers certain actions. We do not need them to deal with companies at all, so we can deny them access to that completely. Then, we can make any more adjustments we deem necessary. Since we have already limited sourcers' actions, CATS defaults to not let them view reports, and they will not need access to portal customization, so we'll deny them that action. Once we're done building this access level, we can click the green checkmark to save and continue. Now, we'll want to quickly add a couple of sourcer groups from user management. We'll click Add Group and give it a name, Sourcer, Tech. We'll also make a group called Sourcer, General. To assign a user to an access level, simply navigate to their profile, edit the Access Level field, and select which access level you want them assigned. This is how you'll assign the user to a group, using the Group field. You can also assign these fields when creating a new user. Okay, now that we've assigned Ethan the Sourcer access level and the Sourcer Tech group, let's assign a job order to that group, Sourcer Tech. We can go to a job order and find Group, edit the field, start typing the group name, use the autofill option, and then click the green checkmark. Or, if we create a new job order, we can also assign the group here. Now, if we log in as Ethan, we can see just how access levels has affected his view. The Companies tab is gone from the side menu entirely, and he can only see the job order that we assigned to him. And, of course, he has access to all candidates. And that's how to build custom access levels. Thanks for joining me. Click here to move on to the next video in the series, or click here if you're looking for something more specific. As always, you can call or email CATS support. We're more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.